మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. Let's start. When should we use workbook? Before the commencement of the topic, middle of the teaching learning process, after the completion of teaching, anytime. The answer is after the completion of teaching. Which of the following is used to prepare the children for learning? Grading, warm-up activity, evaluation, problem solving. The answer is warm-up activity. By which of the following step the students will recall his prior knowledge? Warm-up activity, mind map, presentation, recapitulation. The answer is mind map. All the workbook activities are related to whole class, group, individual, above all. The answer is individual. Projects and maths lab activities are part of teaching, assessment, presentation, practicing skills. The answer is practicing skills. Evaluation helps us in determining the level of learning of people so that proper learning experience may be credited. Planning of lesson, keeping in view the levels attains the students. Differentiating the students between weak and intelligent students, slow and fast learners, and their interest in the subject. All the above mentioned factors help us in improving the quality of teaching. The answer is all the above mentioned factors help us in improving the quality of teaching. For how many marks sleep tests should be conducted? 20, 50, 10, not restricted. The answer is 20 marks. Number of units in 4th class mathematics textbooks are 18, 19, 10, 9. The answer is 10. The nature of the mathematics is ornamental, abstract, logical, abstract and logical. The answer is abstract and logical. Students are most likely to be intrinsically motivated to learn and master mathematical concepts when they are know that they will be tested on their understanding of the content in the near future. Believe that the work they are doing is interesting and related to their own lives. Perceive that their performance compares favorably with that of peers engaged in the same task. Answer: believe that the work they are doing is interesting and relates to their own lives.